Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Can we figure it out together? It's going to be a little bit trickier today because we were at the end of our week on the calendar. So can you find the last thing we drew in our pattern? Do you remember what it was? What did we draw yesterday? Was it the orange circle? That was the last thing that we drew. It's a little bit tricky today because there's nowhere to go over there. There's no more squares. So where do we go? We go down and then go all the way to the beginning of this row. So we're in this row, we're going to go down to the next one and go all the way to the beginning. And this tells us what day we are. So yesterday was Saturday and today is Sunday. Sunday's kind of like Saturday. A lot of people have a rest day or a family day. What do you do on Sundays? Do you spend some time with your family? Maybe sleep in a little bit, have a jammy day, go outside and play. There's all kinds of wonderful things to do on a Sunday. So back to this one, it's an orange circle. So what do you think comes next in our pattern? What should I draw here today? What do you think? Let's go back up to the beginning and let's do the pattern and see. Orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle. Good job. I've misplaced my purple marker. Oh, there it is. That was close. I thought I was going to have to break the pattern. Purple. So the triangle starts at the top and goes down. Then we can go across and then back up and then color it in. So we also need to put the number in this square. What number do you think today will be? Do you remember what yesterday was? Let's see if we can look on the calendar to see. If we go back down the row and up, this was our square from yesterday, and it is a 9. 9. Did it come into your mind? What do you think comes after 9? Let's see if your guess is right. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good guess. 10 is a great guess. So a 10 is kind of special. It is our first number that has 2 digits in it. So the first digit is a 1, and it starts at the top and goes down like a strike. Can you do that? Start at the top and go down. One more time, just like our tally marks. Up, down. And then there's a 0. Can you make a 0? Put your hand up in the air like this at the top and go around in a big circle. One more time. Round in a big circle. That's a 10. Let's count from the beginning again. Can you say it with me? I would love to hear you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Let's count backwards. Are you ready? You ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Good job. So if yesterday was Saturday, and then we come back over here, today is Sunday. Sunday is the first day on the calendar. And do you know how many days are in a week? Can you count with me? Let me hear you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great job. Thank you so much for helping me with that. Do you remember how many months are in a year? Let's count and see if we can remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 months in our year. Now, do you remember how to say the names of those months? Will you do it with me? We can do it together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. Do you remember which month we are in this month? It's the first one. Come over here. January. Starts with the letter J, and it's a big J, a capital J, because it's the name of a month. January. 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 So we are on Sunday, January 10th. And do you remember the year? We can say it two ways, 2021 or 2021. 2021. So we'll say Sunday, January 10th, 2021. And our sentence today is Sunday, January 10th, 2021. So I'm going to put that in. Today is Sunday. So it's a capital S because Sunday is the name of a day. S-U-N-D-A-Y. And then we put a comma there, and we're going to put in the month, January. So we start with a capital J because it's the name of the month, January. And the number is 10. Remember, it's 2 digits. 1, 0, and then a comma. And then I'm going to put the year, which is 4 digits. 2021. 2, 0, 2, 1. And then I'm going to put a period there because that is the end of my sentence. And the period tells you to stop. Stop reading. So today is the first word in the sentence, and it's a capital T because it's the first word in the sentence. The first word in the sentence is always a capital. Today is Sunday, January 10th, 2021. One more time. Today is Sunday, January 10th, 2021. Did you look outside your window to see what the weather is like? Or maybe you went outside already today. What do you think? Do you have nice weather, ugly weather? Is it raining, snowing, blizzarding maybe even? Is it sunny or windy? Let's have a look. I looked out my window today and it wasn't really super bright, and I did see a few clouds. So, do you think it's sunny? If I saw some clouds? Maybe not quite sunny. Let's have a look. Snowy? Well, it wasn't snowing. We did get lots of snow the last couple days, so no more snow today. Is it cloudy? Well, I saw the sun, so it's not totally cloudy. Let's see. Is it raining? No, it's not raining. It doesn't usually rain in the winter. What about partly cloudy? That's right. I can see that it's sunny out, but not quite. The clouds kind of come and go and cover the sun every now and again. So it's partly cloudy. So let's stick that on our weather board. And I need your help to put it in the right section of our weather chart. Can you help me find the partly cloudy section? The first one here is sunny. There's a sun, and then there's a cloud. But it's not totally cloudy, right? We said partly cloudy, so that's not right either. We've got a rain cloud, but it's not raining. And we have a snowflake, but it's not snowing. Oh, we have a cloud and a sun. That's partly cloudy, right? Let's put our tally mark there. Do you remember how to make the tally mark? Put your finger to the sky and strike it down. One more time. Finger to the sky and strike it down. That's a tally mark. It's also how we make a 1. There we go. How many tally marks do we have for partly sunny, partly cloudy? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 tally marks. We've had 3 partly cloudy days. That's not too bad. So now I'm going to open up my agenda. And let's take a look at yesterday before I write today's stuff in. So yesterday I wanted to build a snowman, and I helped my friend's kids make a snowman. And so we did that. So I'm going to check that off, that we did that. And then I'm going to go back to this one because remember I wanted to read a book the other day, but I didn't have any time. I got to read my book last night before I went to bed. So that was really nice, quiet time for me. And I really love this book. It's one of my favorites. So I'm going to check that off too, because those are complete now. I don't have to worry about doing them later. So I'm going to flip this over, and my book is covering the day. but we know it's the 10th, right? So Sunday, I'm going to print Sunday, capital SUNDAY, comma, and then we're going to do January, JANUARY. And do you remember? Can you see it there? It's hiding. What's the number today? 10? Good job. 10. And then I ran out of room, so I'm going to put the year down here, 2021. And then I'm going to practice my numbers up to the date today. So let's start back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, oops, I'm dropping everything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I'm going to squeeze it in. A 10. Good job. Let's put my happy face back up. I didn't mean to knock him down. And it is partly cloudy today, partly sunny. So I'm going to do a gray cloud. Oh, that's not very dark. Can you see that? And then I'm going to put a yellow sun peeking out behind the cloud there. So we had lots of snow yesterday. So the thing that I'm going to do today is I am going to shovel because we had so much snow. And yesterday was kind of a fun day, and I built a snowman with my neighbor's kids, and I didn't shovel my sidewalk. So I am going to shovel my sidewalk today. So I'm going to draw a shovel. Let's start this way. A blue shovel. So there's my handle. And that's the handle there that I hold it with my hand. And here is my shovel blade. Sometimes there's lines that go down here and maybe like another little silver blade there to help me shovel. So that's what I'm going to do today. And I'm going to put my name down here because I'm practicing printing my name every day. CELYNNE. So we want to practice every day. If you don't know how to do all of your letters yet to spell Sunday, January 10th, practice with your letters. So we've been doing A the last couple days. Oops. So let's move on to a different letter because we've done that one a couple of days. And let's try N. Do you know what an N looks like? You start up here and you go down. Then you go back up top and you go on an angle down this way. And then you go back up. That is an N. It's a capital N, the big one. This is how you make a small N. Make a line down and then go just below the top, not quite at the top, but just a little below, and make an arch and then come down. And that's your lowercase n. So you have your uppercase N and your lowercase n. Can you try those today if you don't know how to make your letters for your words yet? Practice a little bit every day and eventually you'll know all your letters to spell any words that you would like. It's kind of exciting. So yesterday I was super excited and this happy face didn't quite express how excited I was to make the snowman, but I was pretty happy. Let's see how we're feeling today. Let's see. Am I grumpy today? Am I mad? Am I miserable? Just grouchy? I don't feel very grouchy today, so not that one. What about this one? I'm calm. Everything is going well for me. Let's see, relaxed. That sounds pretty good. I'll put that one over here just in case. That one might be me. Nervous, scared, shy. I don't feel very nervous. I'm not doing anything new today that's going to feel nervous, so that's okay. Sad. I don't think I'm sad today either. I am kind of happy, but not as excited as yesterday, so I'm going to pick this one. I'm just feeling kind of calm and serene. Serene is kind of like calm and easygoing. Nothing's wrong today. I'm just enjoying things. So we'll put that one up here today. Did you think about what you could do to be kind to people today? What do you think? I'm going to go outside and shovel my sidewalk. And when I go outside, I'm going to see if any of my neighbors need help shoveling their sidewalks, because that happens a lot. Some people aren't able to lift the shovel and push the snow. Some people are older and they're not able to do it either. So sometimes it's good to just check on your neighbors and see if they need help. So I think that's what I'm going to do today. If I can't find anybody that needs help shoveling, I think I will call my auntie. I haven't talked to her in a long time, so maybe I will give her a call and tell her how much I miss her. That's a really nice, kind thing to do. What are some kind things you can do? Do you want to shovel some snow today? Maybe you don't have snow where you live. What about grass? Do you think you can help your grown-up mow the grass? It's kind of hard for you to mow grass on your own, but you could help them with mowing the grass. Or you could help them water the grass or the flowers, maybe. Or, what else? Maybe you can help your grown-up make lunch today. That would be fun. A sandwich is a nice, easy thing to make. You could maybe make sun butter and jelly, which is like a peanut butter and jelly. Some people can't have peanut butter and jelly, or you can have a cheese and lettuce sandwich. Anything. What do you think you could make that would be nice and easy? Cheese and crackers, an apple? It'd be kind of neat to make them just a little lunch and surprise them. Give it a try. So I hope you have a great day today, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.